This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Liz Livernoy, Barbara Terranova, and Kara Halloran. Enjoy first-level living in this 2-bed, 2-bath condo situated in a highly sought-after VB neighborhood. Spacious open floor plan, with newer updated kitchen, complete with white cabinets and SS appliances. Cozy living/dining area with gas fireplace is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Generous primary bedroom with ensuite, 2 closets and exterior door to the patio with gorgeous view of open green space, creating a peaceful environment to relax in. Enjoy the vibrant community, easy access to nearby parks, shopping, dining, area military bases plus a desirable school district. Home is priced lower than other neighborhood sales to allow buyer to paint and update flooring. Opportunity for instant equity. November 27, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Liz Livernoy, Barbara Terranova, and Kara Halloran at 757-635-6833.